Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about the XLOOKUP function in Excel, which is a function used to search a range or array and return a corresponding value. It's more flexible and easier to use than other functions like VLOOKUP or INDEX-MATCH. In this example, as you can see, we have a table which contains different names for employees in different departments with their corresponding salaries. And in order to use the XLOOKUP function, we are going to enter a name. As you can see here, we have enter name, which will be a name for one of the employees. And we give it first the department. So basically we write equals to XLOOKUP F3, so which is the name. And it will look in the array from B3 to B7. If it finds the name in B3 to B7, it will give us the corresponding department from C3 to C7. As you can see, we have the departments from C3 to C7. If the department is not found, which means the name is not within the array, it will give us not found, right? And same thing for the salary. So it will look for F3 or the name entered in F3 from B3 to B7, and it will give us the corresponding salary from D3 to D7. If it is not found, it will write basically not found. As you can see in our example here, we enter Charlie, right? So Charlie is in B5. So the corresponding department is IT and the salary is 9,500. Now, for example, assume you have a table with multiple columns and you want to display the corresponding values for a given name by basically selecting all the table. So same thing, we can use XLOOKUP in this example. As you can see, it will look for the name entered in F6 within the array B3 to B7, and it will select all the corresponding columns from C3 to D7. So from C3 to D7, it will give us all the corresponding values. In our case, it is the department and the salary. So right here equals to XLOOKUP F6 in B3 to B7 from C3 to D7. So here we have two different columns. It will give for us the department and the salary. So that's it for the XLOOKUP function. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.